Now that I have everything cut up, I'm going to go on ahead and four-way it, and I'm putting a little bit of 1080 in between to separate everything. If I don't put that 1080 in between, those four just weld back in together and we don't really get much of a pattern, if any pattern at all, because it's all the same material. So by doing this, we give it a little bit of contrast, and once we stack it, we'll have a repeatable pattern. As always, I like to spray it with some WD-40, and that just helps promote a better forge weld. We're going in straight with our angle blocks, and those are going to make sure that we have contact on all four sides to promote a better forge weld. There were little gaps here and there, and that made sure that nothing went out of shape or moved off to a different side. And with it forge welded together, we're going to go ahead and hit it with the 1" by 1" kiss blocks again, and work the steel down to a 1" square rectangle. That way we can be able to cut it back into four and four-way it again and get a little bit more contrast in that pattern.